as you come down, you would circle and then cap. So when you get to the top, you circle and then you cap. And when you circle, what you're doing is you're taking your poi, they're here, and you bring both of them in front of your body. They come down in together time, and then all the way back around, and then you cap. And the thing to remember is, if I show you from the side view, so if I'm capping here, it would look like this. My poi are gonna stay close to my body all the way through. Right, so I'm here, I'll show you from the side again, with it in motion, close to my body, and then here. As soon as you do the full circle, come back into the anti-spin, come down, or come all the way down to the bottom and then do the anti-spin back up. So you basically do a circle and a half. It would be cap, cap, cap. Now on this fourth one, after it, here we go, do the big circle, come around, come back down to the bottom, and then one up, twice up, third time up, fourth time up, and let's go from the top all the way around, and come back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up 4 times, so 1 and down, 2 and down, 3 and down. Now on the fourth one, when you come down, turn, 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 and then cap. 1 and up, down, 2 and down, 3 and down. Now on this fourth one, come all the way around, circle, 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 and cap. 1 and 2 and 3 and come around, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and circle. Now cut it down to 3 turns, or 3 times cut the cap. So now this third one, circle around and cap, and second cap. Now this third one, here we go, circle around. Now cut it down to 2. 1 and 2. Now turn and cap, now turn, and cap, now turn, and down. What I mean by a circle and a half is, this is a half circle down to here. Then you do another whole circle down to here, and then you anti-spin. Right? So think about it as 1.5 times around, and then back into your anti-spin.